Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope you're all doing great. So if you guys can hear me and if you guys are excited for the session on advanced level problem solving, let me know on the chat by giving me a thumbs up. Hi Uncharted, hi Rajalakshmi, welcome guys. Very good evening. So nice to see all of you here. So let us wait for your friends to join and then we will get started, okay? Because today's session is going to be very intense, a lot of good stuff to discuss, and you guys are going to learn a great deal of information. Hi Mohammad Amir, welcome man. Danush, Anamika, very good evening, welcome. Manjunath, Jumana. Guys, today, as I promised, I'm going to take some advanced level questions. So it is going to be very informative and it might be a little bit difficult. So try to follow me and try to have a great time because it is all about learning new things and getting better by growing. Got it? Hi Vignesh, welcome man. Yes Biswajit, it will be helpful for your JEE mains also. Okay, so shall we begin? Are you all ready? Hi Shrivani, welcome. Yes. Let's start Amir. Yes. Hello Shri, that's awesome. So guys, before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Shimon Joseph and I teach maths at Vedantu and I studied in IIT Madras. When I wrote JEE mains, I was one of the state toppers and I'm also a KVPY scholar. I teach the toppers batch in Vedantu, and if you guys want to be a part of my classes, check out the courses offered in Vedantu and try to join them. This is my Instagram ID. If you guys feel like getting closer to me, if you want to know me, if you want to have a good relationship, then this is where you can find me. Now let's begin guys. Okay. Hi Jasnoor, welcome. Hi Kirito, welcome guys. Anisha, Sonu, welcome. So today we are at Friday circles. Tonight we have KVPY session at 11 o'clock, 11 p.m. in the night. We'll have KVPY. And tomorrow we have area under curves. So mark your calendars, try to be a part of these sessions and learn a great deal of information. So before we move into the session, the most important thing which I would request from all of you is to give a subscribe in case you haven't, because guys, this channel is in English. It can help you learn the new things which everybody might not have access to. I'm going to reveal a lot of secrets today, and that is going to help you get better at circles. Like that, every chapter you guys will learn with us and we will grow together. Okay. Hi Manjunath, welcome man. Krishna Mohan, Sugdha Baruna. Anamika says buffering. Anamika, if it is difficult, then try to change your settings. You can watch in lower settings. Yes Anisha, that is such a great news. See, that is the power of students and that is the power of social media. Isn't that amazing? Exactly. So let us move forward and try to tackle the questions without any further delay. Let's begin our session. Okay. So this is the first question. Please try to solve it. So these are all good level questions. So don't worry if you're not able to get it. I will try to help you. So this is kind of the rough diagram which I've drawn for this question. You guys can utilize that and try to solve it. If you're not able to do it, don't worry. I'm here. I'm going to help you step by step. First, draw the diagram. Get the figure correct. So you have a circle S1 with center C1 and circle S2 with center C2 and radius R2. And then the tangent at their common point passes through the origin. So the tangent at the common point passes through the origin. So let's say the origin is like this. So this is what they are saying. This is what they are saying. Now this center is what? Let's say center is C1. This center is C2. This is A2 comma B2 and this is A1 comma B1. Now you guys try to do it and get the answer. Now you guys try to do it and get the answer. Let's call it T. T is the point of tangency. Now everybody can try it. I hope you guys can solve it. Very good Shrivani. I think you are right. We will confirm it. Don't worry. We will confirm it. Give me some time. What about others? Are you all able to do it? So how do I do this question? First of all, do you guys understand if I join the origin to the center and this is going to be perpendicular? So can I say OT square is equal to OC square minus radius of 1 square? Similarly, I can connect these two circles and this is also 90 degree. So can I say OT square is also OC2 square minus R2 square? Now equate both of them right hand side. Equate both of the right hand side. So I will get OC1 square minus R1 square is equal to OC2 square minus R2 square. What is OC1 square? OC1 square is A1 square plus B1 square. So I will get A1 square plus B1 square minus R1 square is equal to A2 square plus B2 square minus R2 square. So that is your answer. Was it simple? Exactly, Shirvani. Exactly, you're right. You are absolutely right. S1 minus S2 and that passes through 0, 0. You can say that. You are absolutely correct. Good job. Good job, guys. Are you all clear with it? Did you all like the way I solved it? How many of you are able to follow? If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Sonu, did you understand it? It was actually very simple after I drew the diagram. So what did they say? There are two circles whose centers and whose radius is given, and they said that at the common point. So when two circles are touching each other externally, there is only one common point, and which is that point. So there I'm going to draw a tangent, and that tangent is going to pass through the origin. That is exactly what I've done. So getting the figure correct is my first priority whenever I'm dealing with a coordinate geometry question. So after I get the figure correct, what am I going to do? I'm going to try to work on the information given. Got it? Yes, are you all able to understand that? Dhanush, it takes time, man. You have to practice a lot and slowly you get better. So here OT is common, right? OT is common to both the circles. So I'm going to get OT in terms of OC1 and R1 and OC2 and R2. Since these two are equal, I will equate these two sides and that will give me the answer. Albert Einstein, we are just starting off with the first question. So you're on time, don't worry. This was the first question, a very good question. So if you guys are all clear, can I move forward? Guys, I want you to give me some reaction so that I know you're all involved. Got it? Yes, Achyut. Welcome, man. Nice to see you here. I want to see some reaction. If you all have got it, then that gives me a lot of energy and that gives me a sign that you guys are with me. Got it? Thank you. Perfect, guys. Then let's move forward. Siva, I will help you out, Siva. Please let me know in Instagram. Message me in Instagram and I will help you out personally. Got it? So I have attached the solutions also. You guys can go through it later on, step by step. The PDF will be available in the description of my video. So every video in this channel, in the description, you will find the PDF and you guys can make use of it. Okay, so this is the next question. Please try to do it, guys. Everybody. Hi BK, welcome, man. Very nice to see you here. Guys, all of you try to solve it. Please go ahead. It's a very good question again. It's a very good question. Teaches you nice concepts. I hope you guys can crack it. Think about it and then solve it. Think about it and solve it. Okay. Very good, Vignesh Sridhar. That is awesome. Try to break the information. So the question is so big. Try to break it. Read sentence by sentence and then get better at it. Okay. BK, we are doing advanced level problem solving in the chapter circles. So today I have brought a set of 6 to 10 questions which are from circles, which will expose you to good concepts. Very good, Shrivani. That's absolutely right. Dhanush is right. Sai Dinesh is right. Uncharted, Kirito, you guys are all absolutely right. Very good job, guys. Sonu is also right. Brilliant. So all those who got A correct, you guys deserve a star. And there you go. Now Manjunath is saying, sir, I'm not getting. Don't worry, guys. I'm here to help you. Please listen carefully. Yes, yes, Sai Dinesh, you are absolutely right. Now, how do we do this? First of all, the center is at 3, 5. Do you guys agree with me? From here and here, I can say where my center is. Exactly. Very, very good. VSG, R should be lesser than. I think you got the formula wrong. It should be lesser than. Everybody listen carefully. Ali, I'm doing great, Ali. First of all, did you guys understand the center is at 3, 5? So let me draw this circle. The circle center is 1, 2, 3 and 5 somewhere over here. So the circle is having the center at 3, 5. So can I say this distance is 5 and this distance is 3? Isn't it? That is what it means. So if the circle does not touch, if the circle does not intersect or touch any of the axes, that means the radius should be lesser than 3. Are you guys getting it? The radius should be lesser than 3, because if the radius becomes more than 3, then it will cut the y-axis. Are you all able to follow that? That is why I say always come from the conceptual way of understanding things. Don't memorize formulas. Don't directly write anything out of your mind. No. Understand it. Draw a figure. Come from the basics. It's okay. That's how people learn. You need to invest time. You need to solve hundreds of questions and slowly you will get better. You will become faster. Getting faster does not happen overnight. Today if you solve 10 questions, tomorrow you will not become Superman. Okay, it takes time. So I hope you guys got the concept. So now R will be less than 3. So what is your R? R is nothing but R square is less than 9. R square is nothing but G square plus F square minus C. Now that should be lesser than 9. What is G square plus F square? We know that it is 9 plus F square is 25 minus C is less than 9. So that gives me C is greater than 25. So C is greater than 25. I cannot conclude with this because they said this point should lie inside the circle. So this is just half. This is just half the answer. Got it? Yes, Albert Einstein, Achyut. That's exactly right. Okay. So my R will be lesser than 3. So R square is lesser than 9. Yes, Achyut, that's correct. Now, if the point 1, 40 lies inside, what is the condition? S1 should be less than 0 for 1, 40. Isn't that correct, guys? Are you all clear? And we know that my C should be greater than 25. Now, what is S1? Can you guys help me with that? Everybody. Can you guys help me with that? That will become a very high value, right? Is it 1, 4 or 1, 40, guys? I think it's 1, 4. Isn't it? Should it be 1, 4 or 1, 40? Because 1, 40 will be a very, very high value. Does it work for 40? Did you guys get it? Yes? Okay, let's check both of them. So 1 square plus 40 square minus 6 minus 400 plus C is less than 0. Okay, so that's why I said na, it's not correct. It's very, very high. I think it is 4. I think it is 1, 4. That's a small typing error. So remove the 0, guys. Okay, it is 1, 4. So that will be what? 1 square plus 4 square minus 6 into 1 minus 10 into 4 plus C is less than 0. So I will get C to be lesser than how much? 46 minus how much? 17. That will be 29. So C will be lesser than 29 and C will be greater than 25. So option A is correct. Did you all like it? Everybody? Hi Anisha. No problem Anisha. Uncharted, that's absolutely right. It is 1, 4. It is not 1, 40. Very good Albert Einstein. A Vignesh. Very good Vignesh. That's good. Welcome man. Mohit. No problem Mohit. This is just the second question. I have plenty more questions to discuss. Don't worry. S is negative number. Yes, because only when S1 is less than 0, this point will lie inside the circle. Got it? That is the formula, Shrivani. S1 is called as the power of the point with respect to the circle. Whenever power of the point with respect to the circle is lesser than 0, that means the point lies inside the circle. If S1 is equal to 0, the point lies on the circle. If S1 is greater than 0, the point lies outside the circle. Understood? Vignesh, for 11th standard students, the next chapter will be parabola. And for 12th standard students, the next chapter will be area under curves, which I'm going to take it tomorrow. Got it? Guys, I've attached the solution. You can go through it. Now moving on to the next question. This is a Laddu question. I want everybody to do it correctly. I am sure many of you will get this correct because this is easy. This is a very simple question which you guys can crack quite easily. Okay, so try to pay attention and try to use your basics correctly. Don't think just because the video title is advanced level problem solving, it is very difficult, I cannot do it. Don't have that mindset. The very reason why I am conducting these sessions is because I want you guys to increase your confidence. You should at the end of the day say that, sir, I am able to do it. I can do it. Okay, it is just to encourage you guys to get better, not to demotivate you, not to say that this is very difficult, you guys can't do it. No. Got it? Yes, Saravanan, that's awesome, man. Very good, Achyut. Please do it. Uncharted says option D. Okay, let's check it, Uncharted. Achyut says option B. What about the others? Do you guys have any answers in mind? Sonu says option D. Shri says option B. B pakka. Shrivani is like confident. Sir, B only. Okay, let's check it. Kirito says B. A. Vignesh says B. Anisha says D. So guys, the correct answer is option B. Okay, B is absolutely right and you guys definitely get a star for this. It is not a very tough question. In my opinion, it is not a very tough question. It was just a conceptual question. So first of all, how can the squares sum be equal to 0? Did you guys even think about that? Exactly, Achyut. The sum of the squares can only be equal to 0 only when both of them are 0. Because squares are always 0 or positive. Any square is always non-negative. It can be either 0 or it can be greater than 0. How can the sum of two positive or 0 quantities be equal to 0? That's only possible when both of them are 0. So I will get x square minus a square equal to 0 and I will get y square minus b square equal to 0. So what does this give me? This gives me x is equal to plus or minus a and y is equal to plus or minus b. So what are the 4 points? I will get the 4 points as plus a plus b and I'll get plus a minus b, minus a plus b and minus a minus b. Don't you think all 4 of them are equidistant from the center 0, 0? Don't you think all the 4 of them are equidistant from the point 0, 0? That means they lie on the circle with center as 0, 0. That is how you do it. Did you guys like it? Yes? Are you guys able to follow it? Everybody? Saravanan? See, with practice it becomes easier. I would not say that boards is easier than JEE Mains or JEE Mains is easier than boards. Both are different games. You have to memorize a lot for board exam. In JEE Mains, it's more of application. Suryansh, I don't know how to speak in Hindi, man. And moreover, this is an English channel, so I generally talk in English. Okay, don't worry, I will speak very slow. So guys, if all of you are fine with it, shall I move forward? Did everybody understand it? Can you guys give me a thumbs up? Did you all like the way I solved it? Is everybody with me? Yes? Very good, very good. Brilliant, brilliant guys. So with that, let us move forward to the next one and I will go to the crash course discussion. So guys, many people are messaging me in Instagram asking that, Sir, Vedantu's crash course, I want to join. What is the procedure? I've explained it multiple times. that Vedantu's crash course is one of the best, and if you guys want to be a part of it, you have to click on the link which I will share in the chat. Okay, so you can click on the link in the chat or in the description. Why is it so famous? First thing is, the cost is just 8,000 rupees for 5 months. December, January, February, March, April, May. For 5 to 6 months, you are getting it for a price of 8,000. Can you guys believe that? That's almost a monthly price of 1,600 for 30 days of classes. That cannot be matched by anybody. Got it? And it includes 10 full tests and 10 part tests with the JEE Main NTA syllabus adherence. We try to stick to the NTA pattern and those tests will be conducted, and you have 120 to 90 sessions. Got it? 120 to 90 sessions. If you guys are interested, check it out. It is both in English as well as Hindi. So don't miss out on it because you have time, especially for those who feel, sir, I am a good student, I can actually do better, but I don't have good guidance. Sir, I want to be a part of a system where they are very systematic. They should conduct tests correctly. They should conduct classes correctly. It should not be like one day they are taking one class, next day they are saying there's no class today, go home. It should not be like that. You need a very organized, systematic institution. And that is where this will be helpful, because Vedantu is the first online platform and we never ever skip classes for no reason. Got it? So if you guys are interested, check it out. It is available for 8,000 and you guys have to use the coupon code SJCC, which stands for Shimon Joseph Crash Course. Got it? So let's continue. I think we will move to the next question. The next question is a very, very interesting one. I want everybody to think about it. Yes, everybody please do it. I'm not very sure, Achyut. So I just know that 2017, I think All India Rank 1 was from there, but I'm not sure about online system. See, if you want me to comment about online, I would say Vedantu is conducting amazing classes and we are trying to reach out everybody. And there are many, many developments. See, online class is not just about teaching, not just about spending time with students. It has to be interactive. Because in a classroom setup, a teacher can come and be in front of you. But how do you replicate in online? That Vedantu is trying to break. You guys can check it out in the platform. Exactly, radical axis. People are asking, sir, what is radical axis, sir? I am also in 11th standard, but I was never taught radical axis. That is why you guys have to be in these sessions. These sessions are wonderful because of that. Okay, so please listen carefully. The answer is just B. Just B. It is only B. So listen very, very carefully. So guys, first of all, I want you to understand the interaction between two circles. Let us say you have two big circles and we want to understand how they will intersect. Okay, please listen carefully. So I can have two circles like this. I can have two circles to be touching each other. I can have two circles to be intersecting each other. Or I can have two circles to have one inside exactly, internally touching, and the last way is one inside the other completely. So these are the five forms of interaction. Where do you study this? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody shoot the bullseye? Can anybody shoot the bullseye? Tell me exactly where we study this. It is a topic in 11th standard. It is a topic in 11th standard. I want you guys to tell me where we study this. Any idea? Nobody knows it. Okay, so let me explain it. We study these in the topic of common tangents. We study this in the topic of common tangents. So if you look at this, we'll have two common tangents which are called as direct common tangent. This is transverse common tangent. And you will have two direct common tangents. So if you have a circle like this, you will have four tangents. You will have 4 tangents. Exactly, Sugdha. So these two are called as direct common tangents, and these two are called as transverse common tangents. Now the next question everybody will ask is, sir, what is direct common tangent and what is transverse common tangent? Direct common tangent means the circles will lie on one side of the tangent. Can you see that both the sides, both the circles are below the line? So that is why it is called as direct common tangent. But now if I draw a transverse common tangent, can you see one circle is on top of the line, one circle is below the line. So that is why this is called as transverse common tangent. Got it? Why common tangent? Because the same straight line is tangential to both the circles. I hope you guys got it. So that is how you distinguish between a direct common tangent and transverse common tangent. Now coming to the question, what does radical axis mean? Radical axis is nothing but a line between the circles which is perpendicular to the line joining centers, such that every point on the radical axis I can draw 2 equal tangents to both the circles. So that is the definition of radical axis. What is radical axis? Radical axis is the locus of all the points from which we can draw 2 equal tangents to both the circles. So if the circles are separated, you see that the radical axis goes without touching them. So what is the condition for circles being separated? The condition for circles being separated is C1, C2 should be greater than R1 plus R2. That is why B is the answer. That is why B is the answer. Absolutely correct. Are you all clear with it, guys? Yep. Everybody clear with it? Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yes, yes. So you'll have 4 common tangents for this. Are you all fine? So that is how you end up with this. Now you can ask me, sir, why it can't be like this, sir? Because if it is like this, this is the radical axis. So the radical axis is touching the circles, right? We don't want touching also. So this is not the case. Sir, we can have like this. No, sir. Here also the radical axis will intersect, no? So here also it's wrong. And sir, we can have like this, na, sir. Then also the radical axis will touch both of them. Sir, then what about the last case, sir? One is inside the other. Here radical axis cannot cut both of them. So that is correct. So this is also a possibility. So you can say that C1, C2 is lesser than modulus of R1 minus R2. But that is not there in the option. I removed it. I didn't want to include this. It's too confusing. So I removed it. But anyway, I have explained it. I hope you guys got it. Yeah? Why none of this is present in NCERT? It will become too vast, man. It will be difficult for students to prepare. No? What is there itself, people find it hard to study. If they include more like this, then people will run away. Got it? So that is why NCERT is having that much, and we have a lot of good stuff for JEE mains. Hi Suhani, welcome Suhani, nice to have you here. So shall we move forward, guys? Everybody, shall we all move to the next question? Are you guys ready for the next plan that I have for you? Yes? Brilliant. So let us go ahead. This is the next question. Everybody try to solve it. Now here I have done it. Just now I explained it. So can you guys try it? Number of common tangents. Can you guys see that? Just now I taught you, and you guys can try to crack it with what I just explained. Please do it. Hi Aksa. Welcome Aksa. So nice to meet you. Welcome. Uncharted says 4. Uncharted, you have to solve and tell, man. It's not 4. Please solve it and tell, guys. Guys, just because 2 circles are given doesn't mean it's 4. I just explained to you. Common tangents can be 4, they can be 3, they can be 2, they can be 1, they can be 0 also. Okay. So you cannot directly come up and say directly it's 4. Got it? So think about it. So in order to understand how many common tangents are there, you first need to understand how the circles are placed. Definitely Achyut, we'll have a casual interaction. Pakka. We will have it someday once we have good number of subscribers. Right now I think we are around 9,500 or 9,000 change. Once we cross good number, we will do that. We need your help in that. I've been telling you guys a lot. Anisha helped us by sharing it in Facebook. I saw that. So definitely guys, spread the word. Only then it catches fire. I'm waiting for the day when this catches fire and spreads like a forest fire, isn't it? Hi Rishabh, welcome man. Hi Krishna Raju, welcome. Nice to meet you. So guys, let's try to solve this. So first of all, what is the center of this circle? The center of this circle is 1, minus 2. And what is the center of this circle? The center of this circle is 2, minus 1. And what is the radius? Can you guys help me with this? The radius of second circle, it is going to be 2 square plus 1 square minus 4 under root. So radius is equal to 1. And what is the radius of that? The radius of the first circle is root of 1 square plus 2 square minus 4. So the radius of first circle is also 1. So the distance between centers is C1, C2. And what is C1, C2? C1, C2 will be 1 square 2 minus 1 square plus 1 square under root. So that will be root 2. Isn't that correct? Are you all clear? And R1 and R2 is equal to 1. So can I say C1, C2 is lesser than R1 plus R2? Because C1, C2 is less than 2. Because C1, C2 is root 2, na? But C1, C2 is greater than R1 minus R2 because R1 minus R2 is under. So if it is like this, that means the two circles are intersecting. So if you have two intersecting circles, then you will have only two direct common tangents. So only 2 is the answer. So that is why option A is correct. Okay? Yes, Sivaraman, absolutely. Exactly, Aksa. Yes, yes, yes. Dhanush, definitely. Dhanush, these are all advanced level questions. They are not exactly questions asked in advance. Okay. But the previous year's mains questions which I discussed, they're all exactly mains question. Are you all clear? C1, C2 is the distance between C1 and C2. So distance formula, Kirito, 2 minus 1 whole square minus 1 minus of minus 2 whole square. So I applied the distance formula and that is how I got C1, C2. Are you all clear? Achyut, you have almost a month's time left out. So if you prepare hard, definitely yes. So what I would suggest is, Achyut, attempt previous year's questions. If you are getting above 60 in that, then there's a very high chance you might clear. But if you are not getting 60, you are getting around 30, 20 or 35, then it is going to be a bit hard. Okay. So let's move forward, guys. Everybody, please try to solve the next question which I have for you. Did you all like it? Are you guys enjoying it? Because I want to know that. Are you all able to understand and solve these questions? Yes, Shirvani, I'm coming up with that on this Sunday. So this Sunday at 8 p.m. I will do the strategy video. So definitely watch out for it and inform all your friends so that we can have one killer blaster session. Yes. Yes, 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 Aksa. I have done a video on that, Aksa. Please check it out in the channel. Okay. So guys, please try to do the next question, which is right on your screen over here. Again, a very easy and simple question. Please do it. Everybody, I want all of you to participate. Okay. Try to think about it and solve it. It is not very difficult. What is the qualifying score for KVPY? Next year, because interviews are not there, Achyut, I'm thinking it should be around 60 to 65 or even beyond. Okay, it should be around 60 to 65. That's what I'm guessing, but it can be even above that. So I would say anything about 65 is good. VSG says 4. Absolutely right, VSG. Superb, man. Superb. Cutoff for JEE, Aksa, it's too early to predict. It's too early to predict. Anything about 200 out of 300 is a good score. Okay. Very good, Anisha. Very good, Tanka. Tanka Kanal is also right. Very good job, guys. You guys are awesome. Keep it up. Shrivani, very good. Shrivani, A square, Shrivani. You forgot the square there. Okay. Very good, Shri. That's right. Yes. Achyut, I'm glad you remember it. So let's try to solve it. Please listen carefully. So we have origin as the center and the circle passes through 3 vertices of an equilateral triangle. Okay, so the circle is like this. It passes through all the 3 vertices. Now, don't you agree the median will also pass through the center of the circle? Because for an equilateral triangle, median and then perpendicular bisector and then altitude all are the same line. So if you want to find the radius is this distance. So can I say it is nothing, the radius is equal to 2 by 3 times of length of median, because this AD is the median. And we know this is the centroid, this is the circumcenter, this is the orthocenter. All the 3 points are the same. We know centroid divides in the ratio 2:1. So can I say the radius, which is AG, which is nothing but AG, is nothing but 2 by 3 times the length of median. So that will be 2 by 3 times the length of median is 3A. So 3 gets cancelled. So radius is equal to 2A. So R square will be equal to 4A square. So K is equal to 4. So that is how the answer is 4. I hope you guys liked it. Yeah? I hope you guys liked it. Did you all understand it now? Exactly, Uncharted. Exactly, Sonu. Anisha, Sugdha, Shrivani. You guys are awesome. Prashant, very good Prashant. That's absolutely correct. So if you guys have got it, let's proceed to the next one. Okay. So I've written the solution again in a very detailed manner, and all of this will be available to you as session PDF. Check it out after the end of the class. Okay, guys. So let us move forward to the next one. Please try to do this, guys. This is again a very, very good question. Hi, Shabana. Welcome, Shabana. Nice to see all of you guys. Rajat, welcome Rajat. I'm so happy that you're enjoying. This is again a very nice question. Please try to solve it. Everybody, let us have more participation. I want maximum number of students to be a part of this. So Shrivani says 5 and Albert Einstein says 4. What about others? Let me wait for some more people to answer. I think this everybody should be able to try. Shabana, try to solve it. I want answers from Rajat, Shabana. Those who have entered now, please try to do it and I will explain it once you guys are done. Very good, Rajat. So guys, the answer is 5. Good job. Anisha, I will give you time, Anisha. Definitely. You guys can try to solve it. So the answer is 5, which Shrivani, Shri, Rajat and Albert Einstein have got it correct. Very, very good job. Sugdha Baruna is also right. Very good. So how do we solve this question? What are they saying? It looks like a lot of information, but actually it is quite simple. Listen very carefully. So you have a circle and it meets the straight line, the tangent at the point P. Let's say you have a tangent at the point P and it meets this straight line on the y-axis. So on the y-axis means it's going to be like this. So let's say this is the y-axis and the point on the y-axis is going to be 0, something. So it meets this line on the y-axis. On y-axis x coordinate is 0. So y is equal to 3. Did you all understand that? Because if my x coordinate is 0, I will get 2y plus 6 is equal to 0, which implies y equal to 3. So the point Q is 0, 3. Did you all get that? So that is point Q and this is point P and this is the circle. So I want to find out length QP. So can I say that is nothing but length of tangent from the point Q to this circle? Can I say that is nothing but the length of tangent from the point Q to this circle? What is the formula for length of tangent? It is nothing but square root of S1. So that is nothing but square root of, what is S1? S1 is nothing but the value when I substitute this point on the circle equation. So it is 0 square plus 3 square plus 0 plus 18 minus 2. So what will that be? That is going to be root of 9 plus 16, which is root of 25, which will be 5. So that is the length of tangent, which is QP or PQ. Are you all clear? Very good, VSG. That's absolutely correct. Did you all like that? Everybody fine with it? So you guys learned something new over here. What is that? The length of tangent to a circle is nothing but root of S1. So don't ever forget that, guys. Clear? So shall I move forward? If you guys have any questions or doubts to ask, please feel free so. Okay. Achyut, I would recommend you to check it there, man, because that will take away from here. So let's look at more questions. You can watch that as a replay. For now, take it down as a formula. Root S1 represents the distance of the tangent, the length of tangent from a point outside the circle. Got it? So let's move forward to the next question. So this is a good question. I want everybody to try it out. Please do it, guys. All of you. I want maximum number of people to get this right, because this is a wonderful question. This is a wonderful question. Please do it. Very good, Shabana. I'm so happy that you got it. It's very hot over here, guys. My power is not here and my AC is not working. The screen is so hot, and because of which I'm sweating. Okay, so guys, think about how to solve it. What do you mean by intercept of a line on a circle? Exactly, VSG. Intercept of a line on a circle is nothing but the chord length. Okay, so you have a circle. Let me understand the question and let me write the diagram so that you guys can solve it. Okay, listen very carefully. So the center of the circle is 7, 5. So the center of the circle is 7, 5. And what is the radius? The radius is equal to 7 square plus 5 square minus 23. So that will be root of 51. So that is my radius. Now this is a line which is like this. Now we want to find out what is the distance AB. Our question is AB is kitna? Okay. So we need to find out how much is AB. So how do we figure that out? So we need to figure it out by drawing a very nice diagram. So this is going to be root 51 and this I want to find out. We know that the perpendicular from center will bisect the chord. Yeah. The perpendicular from the center will bisect the chord. Everybody knows that. Yes, Ashmit Patel, you are right. And Rajat, you are also correct. Very good. So now what I'll do is I will take this as x and this as x. Okay. And how do I get this distance d? This distance d I can evaluate because that is nothing but distance of 7, 5 from this line. So d can be evaluated as 7 into 7 plus 5 into 5 minus of 4 divided by root of 50. Okay, so what will that be? Can you guys help me out over here? Are you guys clear with that? So it will not be 5 into 5, it will be 5 only. Yeah. 5 into 1 minus 4. So that will be 49 plus 5, 54 minus 4, 50 by root 50. So that will be root 50. So D I got So D is root 50. So what is R? What is X? X is equal to root 51 square minus root 50 square under root. So X is equal to 1. So this is 1, this is 1. The answer is 2. That's it. Why root 50? Because that is the formula for distance of a point from a line. A into x1. So 7 into 7 plus b into y1. 1 into 5 plus c1, which is minus 4. Divided by root of a square plus b square. So root of 7 square plus 1 square is 50. Got it? Are you all clear? Everybody? Albert Einstein, it is not 5 into 5, it is 5 into 1. Because here the coefficient is 1, na? So 1 into 5. Everybody got it now? Did you guys like the question? Very, very interesting, right? So this is the level of questions you can expect from your JEE Mains as well as JEE Advance. Okay? So shall we go forward? Are you guys excited for a few more questions? Are you guys ready for it? Or is it you're tired of it? Let's proceed. Very good, very good. Great Shabana, great Sumit, Shali, welcome man. Great. So let us move forward. This is the answer and this is the next question. Okay. And guys, this is a good question. It will take a lot of time to do this. So let me give you guys at least 3 to 4 minutes. If you get this question correct, you get a virtual chocolate from me. If I were in a class and if you solve this question and if you get it correctly, I will have definitely given you something. Chalk piece. No. I would have given you a chocolate, I'm saying. Sumit, why man? What happened? Sumit, don't worry man. Don't take tension. You have time. Are you in 11th or are you in 12th? If you are in 12th, you have time. Don't worry. If you are in 11th, you have plenty of time. So stay motivated, stay excited. Don't take too much pressure. Okay. We are here to help you. We will try to guide you to the best possible extent. Virtual chocolate. Yes, I will email image of dairy milk so that you guys can get it. Rabiat, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Nice to meet you. So guys, we have got answers. So Albert Einstein says it is A. So if Albert Einstein says, it should mostly be correct. But I'm not sure about the answer, guys. I have to solve it. First, you guys try to think about it. Let me check the answer. Let me just check the answer because I don't know. I don't remember the answer exactly. You guys solve it. I will try to tell you what exactly is the answer. Is it option A? Yes, guys. The answer is option A. The answer is option A. So you guys are rock stars, man. Brilliant to the next level. Okay. So A is absolutely right. So you guys deserve a star and a star because this was a good question. Okay. Best book for coordinate geometry. For learning, I would say SL Loney is the very good book. And if you are looking for problem solving, then you have something called as the Pink Book by Vikas Gupta sir and Pankaj Joshi sir. So you can get it from online. That is good. Okay. So guys, shall I begin now? Please listen carefully because this takes a while to solve. I want all of you to be with me. First of all, that is a random curve. That is not a circle, okay? Why it's not a circle? As soon as I see xy, I know it is not a circle. Because in a circle equation, you can never ever have xy term. You can never ever have xy term, okay? Are you all clear? So I know it is not a circle, it is a random curve. For any random curve, I can find out the equation of tangent. How can I find out? Because they gave the point, I can find the slope of tangent by differentiating it. So if I differentiate it, I will get 2x plus x dy by dx plus y minus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Are you all clear with that? So what will I get? I will get 2x plus y by 2y minus x is equal to dy by dx. Now where do we want to find dy by dx? And why am I finding dy by dx? The reason why am I finding dy by dx is because I want to find 2, 2 slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is given as dy by dx. I'm sure everybody knows that. Okay. Are you all clear with it? So now, please listen carefully. So I'll put x as 2 and y as 2. So I'll get 6 by 2. So the slope is 3. Are you all clear with that? So what is the line? The line is going to be 3x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Do you all agree that this is the tangent? Do you all agree that this is the tangent? Because the slope is 3 and the point 2, 2 should satisfy. I'm sure everybody can find out. Everybody can find out that straight line equation. I'm sure everybody can find out the straight line equation. Exactly, VSG. You are right. Very good, VSG. That's absolutely right. Are you all clear with this? Did you guys like it? Perfect. Now you have a circle and this is a tangent, right? This is a tangent to the circle, which is 3x minus y plus 6 equal to 0. And we also have another tangent, the same parallel tangent at 2, 2. Do you guys agree on that? At 2, 2, I have a parallel tangent. So can I say the distance between them will give me the diameter? Can I say the distance between these two tangents will give me the diameter? Yes or no? Absolutely yes, because when you have a circle and two parallel tangents, the distance between them will be the diameter. So 2 times radius is equal to distance between these two lines, which is C1 minus C2, modulus of C1 minus C2 divided by root of A square plus B square. Got it? So that is going to be 2r is equal to 10 by root 10. Are you all clear? So that will give me what is the radius. Radius is root 10 by 2. Now I'm going to use the concept of family of circles. Do you agree any circle touching this line and this point can be written as x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square plus lambda times 3x minus y minus 4 equal to 0? Can you say any circle passing through the intersection of this circle and this straight line can be given like this? Are you all able to understand that? It is not 3 square plus 3 square, it is 3 square plus 1 square. 1 is the coefficient of y, right? Yes, are you all clear with it? Everybody? So this is the concept of family of circles. S plus lambda L is equal to 0. Are you all fine with that? Now, if I open it, what will I get? I will get x square plus y square. Then if I collect x, what will I get? Plus x into 3 lambda. From here, I will get minus 4. And if I collect y, what will I get? I will get minus lambda minus 4. And then the constant will be plus 4 plus 4 plus 8 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. Now I know that the radius of this is root 10 by 2. We know that radius is root 10 by 2. So can I say from here g square plus f square minus c will be equal to root 10 by 2 the whole square? So can I get the value of lambda from there? And that's how you solve it. Over. So lambda will come out to be, any idea guys? Lambda will come out to be 1. Lambda will come out to be 1. You check this. the radius will come out to be root 10 by 2. You guys can verify that. So this is the way to solve it. That is why I said it's a brilliant question. I hope you guys understood it. It has a lot of good concepts involved, guys. Okay, so make sure you go through it again. This is the way you have to do it, guys. There's no shortcut. There is no shorter approach for this. You have to go through this process. Yes, are you all clear? Are you guys clear with it? Exactly, it's a bit tricky. So I have one more approach. Uncharted solved that point and matched it with all the options and only A satisfied. Great. Okay. Very good, very good. Yes, you can do it by other method also, but that is also lengthy. I will tell you the other method, what I think can work. So you know 2, you know the slope of this is 3 and VSG. So can I say the slope of this line is going to be minus 1 by 3? So can I get the equation of this line? Because I know the slope and I know it passes through 2, 2. So can I get this point of intersection? So if I get this point of intersection, I know the end points of diameter. So can I find the equation of circle? Yes, that can also be done. That can also be done. That might be shorter, but it's all working again. It's all working again. Yes, you can find midpoint, or you can directly use diametric form. I have taught you diametric form, na? You can use that itself to find the equation of circle. Got it? So guys, with that, we will conclude our session. I have one homework question for you. Please try it out. And once you guys are done, let me know the answer in the comments. This is also a tough question. Okay. This is also a tough question. You can try it out and let me know what do you think is the answer in the comment section below. And with that, we will conclude. Okay. So guys, I'm sure you learned a great deal of information. All this is nothing compared to the crash course, because in a crash course, we get to spend more time with you. Every session is 1 hour, 30 minutes, and it is going to be fully packed with a lot of information. So if you guys feel you want to join something, you want to write test series, you want to compete with the best students of India, you want to be taught by the best teachers of India, then guys, don't think twice. Just go for it, because you will not regret it. The price is going to be 8,000 for 5 months. December, January, February, March, April, May. 5 to 6 months you're going to be taught. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. Go for it while it lasts. Okay? Exactly. So this is 8,000 if you use the coupon code SJCC. Guys, please don't forget to use the coupon code. You have to use it. Only then you get the discount. There were some students who forgot to do this. Okay, in that case, you will not be helped. It will be a big problem. So make sure you apply this coupon code. This includes the test series also. This includes the test series also, and we have every Monday new batches starting. Okay, great guys. So all the best. Do well in life. Thank you so much, guys. I am so happy that you enjoyed the class. Very good, Shabana. Thank you, Sugda. This is the Telegram group, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel, and do give us a like as well, guys, because that gives us a lot of motivation. Okay, definitely, Sonu, I would love to meet you guys. And Uncharted, already we are pressed for time, man. I literally have no time, so let me think about it. Maybe on Sundays I can try something. Okay, so guys, today we have class at 11 p.m. It will be on KVPY essay. So try to be a part of the class in case you are free. Okay, so guys, all the very best. Definitely subscribe if you are new to the channel, and leave a like before you go. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next one. Take care.